Dear students, today we are going to study practice set 2.4. Here, first question is given, compare and write the values of A, B and C. So, we will find the values of, by comparing here, you know that what is the standard form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, A means here what number is given here? Nothing is given, means there is 1. Therefore, value of A is equal to 1. This means Bx means value of B is equal to minus 7. And here it is constant term C is equal to 5. Finish. Now here what will happen? Now we should take this first in standard form in case of question number 2. So 2m square that will come here. Right hand side will come to left hand side. Minus 5m plus 5u is equal to 0. Now A is equal to 2. B is equal to minus 5 and C is equal to 5. That is the answer of question number 2. Now in case of this question number 3, here y square, this 7y will come to left hand side. Minus 7y plus C is plus 0 is equal to 0 because constant term is not provided. Therefore A is equal to, here nothing is given, means 1. Here Bx means B is equal to minus 7 and C is not provided, that is 0. Okay, this is the answer. These are the answers of question number 1 of 2.4. Once again I am going to remind you that you should subscribe our channel, you should share your likes. Okay, now we are going in question number 2. You should tell to your friends to subscribe the channel of Ashoka's English Medium Academy. Also, when you will subscribe the channel, you will get automatic videos of, or you will get automatic notice of the uploaded videos. That is one benefit for you. Now, question number 2 is that, what is given in question number 2? Solve using formula. Solve using formula. So, what is first question? In question number 2, first question, solve using by formula. Here I am going to write first question, x square plus 6x plus 5u is equal to 0. So let first write here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5. Ax square, here a means 1 will come, bx means coefficient of x is 6 and constant term is c is equal to 5. Now here we should first find b square minus 4ac is equal to. We will calculate the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to. What is b square? B square means 6 square minus 4 into a means 1 and c means 5. Thus 6 square means 36 minus 4 into 5. 36 minus 4 5s are 20. Here it is 4 5s are 20. 36 minus 20 means 16. B square minus 4ac is equal to 16. No need to write this all, but not to me, but you should have to write in exam. Otherwise, you can lose half marks. So that's why you should write this all. Now here there is a formula. We will find the factors of this, or we will find the solution of this equation by using formula. Now here x is given, so x is equal to minus b plus minus 4ac plus minus b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here, to avoid confusion, first I will reduce this all. Okay. So here it is, answer is kept in rectangle. So what is formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a is the formula. We should have to put here values. X is equal to minus b is here minus sign as it is. B means 6 plus minus under root. Now b square minus 4ac is 16 given, and 2 into 2a, a means what? 1. Therefore, what is coming? Now x is equal to minus 6 plus minus under root 16 means its square root will come 4 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Thus, x is equal to minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4 will be minus 2 upon 2. What will you get? Minus 1. And x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 means minus 10 upon 2. X is equal to minus 5. Therefore, this is the solution by formula method. Whenever, however, you will do the practice, that you will learn this formula itself and you will get easily marks of this exercise. Questions based on formula of exercise 2.4. Now we will take second question from this exercise. Question number 2. 2 is given here. X square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. B is equal to here minus 3. And you can tell of C. C is equal to minus 2. Correct. C is minus 2. Now we will find first b square minus 4ac. Directly someone can use the formula, and by keeping the values in formula also you can solve. But it is better, you can't get mistake here. So to avoid the mistake, first we will find b square minus 4ac is equal to, so minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2. Minus 3 square means positive 9. Here 2 places there is negative, means negative becomes positive. 4 2s are 8. So 17. B square minus 4ac is equal to 17. Now we will keep this value in equation. In formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus 4 plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, x is equal to minus, b means what will come? B means, look here, minus out of bracket minus sign, in bracket minus 3, because your value of b is given minus 3. Then plus minus b square minus 4ac means 17 is calculated, and 2 into a means what is there? A means 1. Thus we will take here x is equal to positive 3 minus 1 into minus 3 means positive 3, minus 3 into minus 1 means positive 3, plus minus under root 17, and 2 1s are 2. So then thus here you should have the right value, because we cannot get the value of under root 17, it remains as it is. Therefore directly here is answer of one of the answer is 3 plus under root 17 upon 2, or x is equal to 3 minus under root 17 upon 2 is the answer. By this way, this second question is completed. Once again I am reminding you to subscribe the channel. You should tell to your all friends, even you should tell to your relatives, those who are studying in standard 8, 9, 10, to subscribe the Ashoka's English Medium Academy channel. Now question number 3 is very simple, similar way. 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. Now a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 7. Thus find b square minus 4ac is equal to, b square means 2 square minus 4, ac means into 3 into minus 7, plus 2 square means 4, minus minus plus 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84, means you will get 88. B square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac is equal to 88. Now, as usual way, by formula, m is equal to, here m is given, so you should take m. If y variable is used up, then you should use y. So look here now, what is there? M is equal to plus minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore here minus b means what? Minus 2 plus minus under root 88 upon 2 into what is there? Value of a is 3. Okay. Now we can find here 88 means minus 2 plus minus 22 into 4, because 22 4s are 88 and 2 3s are 6. Means that is splitted. Splitting is done. Here one is perfect square number and another one is the imperfect square number. This number should be always bigger than this one. So here such a way only possible. That's why 22 4s are. Now, therefore m is equal to, what is happening? Minus 2 plus square root of 4 is 2 under root 22 upon 2 3s are 6. Now m is equal to minus 2 is taking here from it minus 2 plus 2 under root 22 upon 6 upon 6. So what will happen? M is equal to, from this take 2 common, if 2 is common taken, then here becoming minus 1 plus under root 22 upon 6. Now you can take in reduced form, 2 1s are 2 3s are, means m is equal to minus 1 plus under root 22 upon 3 is one of the answer. Now we have to take another, or m is equal to minus 2, here we took plus, here I will take minus 2 under root 22 upon 6. Therefore here minus 2 is common taken, then minus 2 divided by minus 2 means 1. Here positive root 22 upon 6, 2 1s are 2 3s are, means m is equal to minus in bracket 1 plus under root 22 upon 3 is the root or is the solution. Now we have to enter into the question number 4. You will feel a little bit difficult in beginning, but afterwards, however you get practice, it becomes very very simple, easy. Do practice again and again. Now we are going in question number 4. What is in question number 4 given? 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 2. Thus b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4 bracket square plus 4 into 5 into minus 2. b square value minus 4 square means 16. Here in 2 times there is negative means it becomes positive. 2 times negative, negative into negative it becomes positive. So 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40. Thus here you will get 56 b square minus 4ac is equal to 56. Now formula m is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, put here value. M is equal to minus, what is that? B means what? Minus 4. So minus 4 plus minus under root 56 upon 2 into a means 5. Okay, m is equal to minus 4 into 1 is positive 4 plus minus 14 4s are 14 4 the 56, that is splitted, and now here down to 5s are 10. Now let me take here m is equal to 4 plus minus 4 plus minus 2 under root 14 upon 10. Therefore here one more simple method. Here 2 and 4 are in same table, so you should take 2 as a common number. If 2 is common taken, what is remaining in bracket 2? Here plus minus under root 14 upon 10. 2 1s are 2 5s are. Therefore m is equal to 2 plus minus under root 14 upon 5. Therefore m is equal to 2 plus under root 14 upon 5, and m is equal to 2 minus under root 14 upon 5 are the roots. Are the roots of given equation. Now question number 5. This exercise is a small one. It doesn't take more time. So I am going to continue all questions of this. If you want, I will keep one question for homework. So therefore then after taking this one question, we can stop here. It is depend upon you. So question number 5. What is question number 5? You want to check. Y square plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. We should take it in standard form. First both sides dividing by both sides multiplying by 3. We don't want here 1 upon 3. You may take 1 upon 3, no problem. But to avoid confusion, to make it easy, we are both sides multiplying by 3. Thus 3y square plus 3 into 1 upon 3y and 2 into 3. 3y square, these 3 cancel, and 2 3s are 6. Now 3y square plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Thus a is equal to 3, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 6. C is equal to minus 6. Therefore, now y is equal to minus plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, y is equal to minus b means what? Minus b, value of b is taken or not, please check here 1. So minus 1 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. We have calculated or not, please check. Oh, we have not calculated and we are going ahead. Yes, am I right? So we should have find first value of b square minus 4ac. But here I want to let it be. I can take, but To make it easy, we will first calculate the value of b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is equal to b square means 1 square minus 4 into a means 3 into minus 6. 1 square is 1. 4 3s are 12. 12 6s are 72. Positive becoming minus 4 into minus 6. Positive. So you will get it here 73. B square minus 4ac's value is 73. Now put therefore sign. We will use this. Here y is given. So take y is equal to plus here minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore y is equal to minus b means what? Tell me. Minus b means here value of b is 1 minus 1 plus 73. 2 into a means 3. Now y is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 73 upon 6. Therefore here we cannot calculate square root of 73. So answer solution is minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6, or y is equal to minus 1 minus under root 73 upon 6 are the roots. Understand? So here is the question number 6. We will solve last one question here. Just I told that I was thinking to give you as a homework, but let it be. Let me take this question number 6, and you should solve these all questions once again in-house as a homework, so that you can get mastery on questions of solving by formula method. Therefore, question number 6, 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13 and c is equal to 8. Therefore find b square minus 4ac is equal to, b square means 13 square minus 4 into 5 into 8. So 13 square means 169. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20 into 8. 20 into 8, 160. 169 minus 60 means 9 is the answer. B square minus 4ac, 9. It is very simple. Now minus, we will use formula. By using formula, before of this we have not written here but writing in last question. By using formula, what is formula? X3 is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore x is equal to, what is minus b? Minus b, b's value is minus 13 plus minus 9 upon 2 into a means 5 given. So take here 5. What will happen? Check now. Here x is equal to, don't forget to keep therefore sign. X is equal to minus 13 plus minus 3, because square root of 9 is 3. And 2 5s are 10. Plus here x is equal to minus 13 plus 3 upon 10. Means what will happen? X is equal to 13 minus 3 means minus 10 upon 10. You will get x is equal to minus 1. And now next we will take negative values. X is equal to minus 13 minus 3 upon 10. Therefore x is equal to minus 16 upon 10. What will you get? Write in reduced form. 2 5s are 10. 2 8s are, and thus then x is equal to minus 8 upon 5. minus 8 upon 5u. Therefore, minus 1 and minus 8 upon 5u are the roots. So it was very simple. Once again, I am going to request you that you should tell about our Ashoka's English Medium Academy channel to your all friends. You first subscribe yourself. You should write your comments. Your comments will encourage me to make more and more effective and impressive videos. Thanks for watching our video.